Yung padami. Ito tataas ng pataas.
So, tingnan mo muna yung swimming pool pa pala.
Swimming pool lang pala yan eh.
Swimming pool pala eh. Galing naman gumawa ng box ng tao yan.
Nagtipid.
May cushion pa si Toto. Grabe naman yung pack nito. Seryoso, gift ba to? Newspaper na gamit. Sulit yung newspaper.
Wow. Saan yan?
Sa marketplace.
Tangix. Saan mo yun ilalagay dyan?
Sa ban. Wow.
Ha? Asan yung hanap?
Moon.
Ano yan?
Ito, pag bibilhin mo to, nasa 20 plus dapat.
Saan to? Yan pala yung ano yan? Sony pala yan.
Sabi may Bluetooth. Ayun nga, may Bluetooth to. Bluetooth.
Okay.
Kasi lalagay yung sasakyan.
Lagay mo na para ma-stop.
Yun.
Okay, good.
Good day mga dudes. So we're here in my work van and I'm going to install this aftermarket head unit. I got the Sony head unit with a Bluetooth feature. So this is not a brand new one. This is a second-hand one, and came off from Mitsubishi Lancer, I think. So it has already the harness connected, so which is good. I'm not going to spend more for the harness. Let's see if it fits, and I'm going to replace this stock one. I'm hoping that this will work on my van because it's very convenient when you're driving or when you're working with some music on it. So yeah, so first I'll try to remove this panel out and try to get access to this head unit, and then try to fit this new one. So bear with me and stay tuned. So this one, all you need to do is just pull it out from this thing here. Ayun. Yun pala. Ganun lang pala siya kadali. So the next step, we're going to take off the screws that holds the head unit. There are 2 screws, and that's it. It's connected on this side too, so I need to take out 4 of them. of them. Not just 2. Now 6 of them. 6 of them. There you go. It's done. Easy peasy. Now it's out. And okay. So this is the main harness that is connected to the wirings of the car. So it is straightly plugged into the head unit. So this is for the antenna. This is for the antenna. So this one, you can just, it should fit on this one, because this come off from another Mitsubishi. So this should be, yeah, see, this antenna will just go straight here at the back, and then this will go, this side here will go straight to the head unit. And normally it will come with this one. So I'm so lucky, when I bought it, it comes with this harness ready. These are 2 separate harness, and you have to pay separately for this. So I think I was able to save money, and also save money from the original price for this head unit. So when you're buying a second-hand one, you have to make sure that, you know, you're saving money than spending more on what its regular price. This should just easy click like this one, and I bet this is a negative. This is the negative, so I could just plug it anywhere here on the metal. Alright, so 1, there's 4 of them, 2, 3, 4 of them. Now the challenge here is we have to find the bracket that we have to find a spot where we can put the bracket on. But I guess this one is a cover, or we can. So what I'm trying to do is take off this cover here, so I can find the port for here. It detached now. See, it's coming off, come out. Yeah. Alright. So I should be able to find us. Yeah, here. You see? So if you can see, I got access to this port here, and I can put the bracket. Earlier couldn't, so let's see. I guess these are too big for the lattice spot here, so I'll try to find, it says 8mm, so alright. So it was challenging, but I was able to fit in the this one. So I'll connect this one to this. I'll put the negative one to the one connected to the metal. Okay, great. So you go right here. This is the ground. Let's try to see if it's working. should be like this. It should be like this. Plug this one at the back. Yep. Let's see. Yep. Let's see. On. And we had got it running. Ah, I see why it doesn't go to FM, because, so let's put the antenna on. Oh. It's antenna. Tuner. Okay. Promising. Aux.
Decisions applied. Appearance in Keegan.
Ayos. Okay, so that's, now I figure it out how to do it. So I thought it's complicated, but it's just easy. It's just a matter of knowing your equipment. So we'll put it back together now, and seems that everything is working fine. So I'll just put it back together, and we'll do a proper play around with this stereo. So I guess when we're doing this, we should shut off the power. So I guess this is all right. Now we have to put back this cover. Yeah, I guess that's how you do it. Yep, that's how you do it. So 4 screws here, and we're done. Yep. So we have successfully installed the Sony. I don't know what's the exact model on this one yet. Yeah, here. Sony DSX-A410BT. So this one has a Bluetooth feature. Has Bluetooth. Got USB. Has USB. And it has FM and AM. Got extra bass. So let's see if it's working out. button, but say source. I'll go to tuner because I'm using my phone to take the video. So very good. So now it's working. So we got successfully installed the head unit for our L300. So we got nice music now for our work van. So I hope you learned something from this video. So if you find this video helpful and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel Pinoy Dude Instead and hit the notification bell so you will be updated with the upcoming videos.